In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblur in Adobe Express. Unblurring is really about improving clarity so details are easier to see. While no tool can recreate information that was never captured, Adobe Express can noticeably enhance a soft or slightly blurry image with just a few thoughtful adjustments. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening Adobe Express. From the home screen, create a new design or open an existing one if you already have a project in progress. Next, bring in the blurry image you want to improve. You can upload it from your device and place it onto your canvas. If you're working in a design with multiple elements, make sure the actual photo layer is selected before you make changes, so your adjustments apply to the right thing. With the image selected, look to the Properties panel and open the Adjustments menu. This is where you'll find the core controls that matter for clarity. The most important one is Sharpen. Slowly drag the Sharpen slider to the right and watch the image as you go. The goal is to tighten edges so they feel cleaner without creating harsh halos or grain. If you notice sparkly noise, jagged lines, or a crunchy look, ease the slider back a little. Small, steady moves typically give the best results. To refine the look, you can optionally tweak a few related settings to improve legibility. Brightness can lift an image that's too dim, helping edges stand out. Contrast increases the separation between darks and lights, which often makes text and outlines pop. The Detail control, when available, adds local contrast. Think of it as enhancing texture and micro-contrast. Use it gently. A modest increase can reveal definition, but too much can make skin or smooth surfaces look rough. A handy approach is to make a slight adjustment, pause, and let your eyes readjust before deciding if you need more. As you fine-tune, it helps to view the image at a comfortable size, so you're evaluating the actual sharpness rather than a zoomed-out thumbnail. Look at important areas like text, logos, or faces to judge whether the clarity feels natural. Once you're satisfied with the balance of sharpness and tone, it's time to save or download your image. Choose the option that fits your needs and confirm the file name and format so you can easily find it later. That's it. Your previously blurry photo should now look cleaner and more readable, ready to share or drop into your design.